Hello, this is channel layerace.com, and in this quick After Effects tip video I will show how to export your video with alpha channel or with alpha transparent background. So you go to here, I have a video, you go to File, Export and Add to Media Encoder, and you have to select QuickTime, and now you can select preset with alpha. This is the fastest way. You can choose Apple ProRes 444 with alpha preset, or you can choose GoPro Cineform RGB with alpha. And third codec would be, you go to the export settings and you just select codec animation. This is also can be exported with alpha, but you have to select 8 bits per channel and plus alpha in the basic video settings. And you render your video. That's it for this quick tip. Thanks for watching and goodbye.